Hi everyone, happy Easter everybody. This is by far one of my favorite holidays besides Christmas, of course. For this Easter season, I decided to do a roundup of modern Easter eggs. So I did this last year, but I didn't do a video. I'll go ahead and add a link down below. You guys can check those out. It was copper foiled Easter eggs with 3D paint and some tissue paper eggs. I hope you guys like that. For this year's Easter eggs, I decided to go with some gold leaf eggs and some crackled effect eggs and some brushed eggs. I hope you guys like these eggs. There's a lot of eggs in there, but I hope you guys like them. Let's jump right in.
For this collection of eggs, you'll need some black paint, some brushes, eggshells, eggs, gold leaf, gilding adhesive, and a glue gun. In this video, I'll be showing you a few ways you can decorate your Easter eggs to look modern. For your crackled effect eggs, you'll need to color your eggs a solid color. You can dye them like you usually do or give them a coat of paint. If you're painting them with some paint, then a fan brush with soft bristles works best. I chose to go with the color black for some pretty contrast. You can go with whatever color you'd like. I also decided to do a few metallic eggs. To make my metallic eggs, I used the Martha Stewart gilding adhesive and some gold leaf I purchased on Amazon for a steal deal. Okay, so many of you have been asking if regular school glue would work instead of the gilding adhesive, and I'm sad to say I don't think it will, but I've never tried it. The reason I don't think it'll work is because the gilding adhesive dries to a tacky finish versus the school glue dries to a complete dry finish. Before applying your gilding adhesive, make sure your eggs are completely dry. Then, give your gilding adhesive about 10 minutes to set. Once it turns clear and tacky, apply your gold leaf. My eggs were hard-boiled eggs. You can do plastic eggs or blown-out eggs as well. To finish off your metallic eggs, use a hard bristle brush to remove any excess gold leaf, and that's it. Then take some shattered eggshells and hot glue them onto your eggs, kind of like a mosaic. You can choose to cover the whole egg or leave half of it without the eggshells. It looks pretty like that as well. To complete my modern Easter egg collection, I made some half-brushed eggs as well. I used acrylic black paint with a soft bristle fan brush to get this look. And that's it.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a DIY. And also, if you notice those cute little golden eggs, I'll be posting up a tutorial on how I made those out of clay from Walmart for 99 cents because I couldn't find any mini eggs anywhere. So stay tuned for those. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. That's it for today. Bye.